Attention students, the Mariana Trench. It is arguably one of the most unexplored places on Earth, but yet it is also one of the most needed to be explored places on Earth. It is an undeniable statement that it should be explored because the Mariana Trench, we know nothing about it. There could be a cure for cancer, or a cure for some other incurable disease. Anyway, and there could also be a megalodon, which could be cool for study. Each time that we go down there, we discover a lot of new species. Like when James Cameron went down there, we discovered over 40 new types of fish. And the last time that we went down there, we discovered a new type of jellyfish, which hunts for its prey by doing a seeing stance and growing its tentacles. There are so many types of fish down there. We could possibly be one that cures cancer. So many possibilities. Besides, if we don't do it, somebody will. Eventually. That is a fact. Therefore, exploring the Mariana Trench's benefits far outweighs its disadvantages, and that is what my team is trying to prove.
Thank you, Chairman, ladies, gentlemen, and the affirmative. They say that the Mariana Trench is worth exploring. My team and I will convince you that exploring the Mariana Trench would be and is a waste of time. Negative effects much outweigh what we can discover down in the trench. Not only is it very deadly, it would cost us millions. Exploring the Mariana Trench leaves no room for error, and if we have a team of researchers down there and we screw up, we lose men, data, and tons of money. According to James Cameron, there are many ways to screw up, such as implosion, viewport failure, and freezing. Imagine the lawsuit after a fail, the amount of money lost again. The amount of loss, data, and the time wasted just to have a cabin fire burn this stuff from the inside out, would it be worth it just to explore? The amount of danger down in the trench should be a sign enough to not explore down in the Mariana Trench.
They say there are dangers in exploring the deep, but the affirmative side disagrees with not exploring the Mariana Trench. The Mariana Trench should be explored because there are ways to counteract the danger from exploring the deep, such as sending technology before people. It would still get data and can take pictures as well as capture fish for testing if it is needed. But most importantly, that it would show that it would be safe to send people to the Mariana Trench. They also bring up the point that if people are sent down, the pod or ship they're in might fail. There is a way to counteract that as well, by testing the pod first in safety while replicating the conditions the pod is going to be in. If the pod is tested in safety first, then it will show if there are flimsy windows or faulty ascent weights before people are sent to the field and discover that the hard way. Also, heaters can always be installed along with trackers, so the dangers of being drift as well as frozen is not present. Therefore, the danger of exploding the deep is greatly diminished, and the most dangerous things would be loss of data, money being wasted, and random times when something is curious about the ship.
The assertive side has not pointed out the many different problems of continuing the dig of the Mariana Trench. The three that stood out the most are the dangers, funds, and major risks for the safety of the sea creatures found there are major reasons not to continue with the Mariana Trench. The dangers of digging the trench is tremendous. According to an exclusive from James Cameron, 2 members were killed in February of 2012 due to a technical glitch. More technical glitches like these could cause more people to die. In an article called Expedition Risks and Danger lists things like penetrator failure, fire, and drifting. The lives of people who try to go down there are at major risk because of this. As said earlier by Alex, digging the Mariana Trench would cost us millions. That money could be used to support more important things such as school enhancement and not digging for consumer value, but using the funds to save the ocean from pollution. Going back to school enhancement, the schools across the world could have better resources and be able to teach everyone who goes there more enhanced things. Saving the ocean from pollution is a major problem these days because of everybody trying to get rid of all the trash on the land. But digging the Mariana Trench would possibly further this because if they have one tiny mistake, then all of the things that they were using could be identified as trash and be thrown away into the ocean even without their consent. The risk towards the sea animals one little mistake can also ruin their ecosystem. Messing with them could kill off the entire species and make the entire population of the ocean small.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Ms. Jones and the negative argument. Humans have always been tremendously curious, leading us to explore space and that the highest peak. But for some reason, not the lowest point on Earth, the Mariana Trench. They say that we should not explore the trench, but I disagree. The Mariana Trench is said to be the lowest point on Earth and contains enough unnamed species to last a lifetime. Life starts at a depth of 7,000 meters, and sometimes scientists have even discovered what might be intelligent life. This could change the course of life forever, and though it might be extremely dangerous, new discoveries are always worth the effort. Because there is new technology waiting to be discovered, if we can study the fish that live in the depths, maybe we can even discover how to bypass the burden of water pressure. This could revolutionize water travel forever, and is a great reason why we should explore the Mariana Trench. Another reason would be to find new cures to sickness. As Aaron stated, the cure to cancer could be lying on the bottom of the ocean. Scientists could even find dinosaur bones at the bottom of the bottomless pit. Therefore, many people have the chance of exploration behind because they are afraid of. Many people leave the chance of exploration behind because they are afraid of the consequences. But if we can bypass the fear, the possibilities could be endless, leading to many people inspired to learn more about their planet as astronauts did for space.
According to National Geographic, exploration is inherently dangerous. Although many discoveries have been made and could be made, 2 people have already died due to a technical glitch, as earlier stated by Serena. Not only could exploring cause environmental problems, it could cause economical problems, especially if structural damage occurs because of something that was caused by humankind. Humans have already caused damage to oceans through pollution and oil spills. We don't need any more damage to the ocean and its environment. If scientists were to undergo exploration of the Mariana Trench, the ocean might be polluted even more. Though there's a chance for success, there's also a big risk for failure, and that failure could take its toll. The affirmative claims that the benefits far override the risks, but I disagree that there are more benefits than risks, because there are several disadvantages and possibilities that could create a big problem. This is the opinion of the negative side, because we could damage the ocean environment, technology, economics, and the lives of the people that could possibly be sent down the Mariana Trench. Therefore, the Mariana Trench should not be explored. Thank you for your time.